In this video, you will learn how to remove your credit card from Afterpay on the app and website. Starting with the app, via the Afterpay app, open the app, launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device, access My Afterpay, tap My Afterpay tab located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Navigate to the payment settings, scroll down and tap Payment Settings under the Account Settings heading. Select a card to remove, choose the card you wish to remove the card. Tap Remove this payment method, then confirm by tapping Remove again. Via the Afterpay website, first log into your account. Visit the Afterpay website and sign into your account. Go to Account, click the Account option under the upper left hand corner of the screen. Access Payment Methods, click the Payment Method tab, remove the card. Click the three dots next to the card you want to remove. Select Remove or Delete. Confirm by clicking Remove again. Now you know how to easily remove your credit card from Afterpay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.